The RK level of switch and socket is IK06. The RK level test is applied from 5 sides of the product. In the video, inspector holds the energy impact hammer to test the front of the product. After testing 5 sides of product, he will observe whether the product can operate normally. Whether the parts are loose, and whether the appearance of the product is deformed. If the product is no different, the product is qualified. Anti-probe test. This test is mainly for sockets. Our sockets are designed with protective door, which can avoid electric shock to protect people's safety. During the test, the inspector will insert the probe into the plug with a force of 1 N. As the operation in the video, insert the probe into any direction of the socket and change the direction after 5 seconds. During the test, if the machine won't make a sound, the product is qualified.